Hi, great day. I'm Madhu Kodidala, passive wealth expert and lifestyle coach. Today I came here with one good note and great topic, that is automatic millionaire habit that changes your life for every aspect of your money management and wealth management. So why every aspects of your life to be evaluate in terms of automatic in nature? You need to have a clear visibility what we need to understand about money, what we need to have a clear vision about wealth. So these are the major golden aspects today I am going to reveal. So please watch this video till the end so that you will see the real transformation in your life. So the automatic millionaire habits, what we need to adopt and what are all the aspects we need to really involve in our life and execute, so that if we execute in a real time basis, definitely we'll see the real change in our life. So please watch this video till the end so that it will be beneficial for you. Why I'm doing all these things? Because I created one great topic so that you will see the real visibility about your life. After listening this video, after watching this video, you will see the real change in your life. That damn sure information what I'm sharing today to you. So please, once again I'm reiterating to you all, if you really understand the exact aesthetics of the money management and the attributes about the wealth, definitely you will see the real change in your life. Why wait? Dive into our topic so that it will be real life changing moment for today. So please have a clear visibility. You will see the real change in you today. That guts I have, that information I'm sharing to you. If you really think this information, everybody knows, but nobody having that clarity in our mind to get something great in us. So the major attributes what the automatic millionaire habit that changes everything in our life is, if you have a financial plan is not automatic, you will fail. If you want to be clear in your life, your financial plan to be automatic. If you don't have a financial plan in an automatic, not in automatic mode, it will see the drastic downgrade in your financial position. So every aspect, every attributes of your life in terms of money, in terms of management of your money, to be evaluated in such a way where your bank balances to be evolved. So if your financial plan is not in such automatic mode, you will see the real drastic downgrade in your wallets of portfolios, whether it is anything, whether it is paper assets, whether it is a real estate assets, whatsoever the assets you are having in your portfolio, it will be real drastic downgrade will happen if you don't have a automatic habits. So here I'm giving the clear visibility what is looking rich and what is being rich. What is looking rich and what is being rich is, it will be beneficial for you to understand the ground reality, understand the roots of the major things of looking rich. What is a looking rich? Having branded cars, like Rolls-Royce vehicle, Porsche vehicles, or any vehicles. If you can't able to manage that particular EMIs, manage that particular vehicles, even though for society purpose you are using that vehicles and purchasing that vehicles and roaming here and there for society purpose, not for your concern. Take this attribute. And branded gold Rolls-Royce Rolex watches you are wearing, or any expensive watches. Just I'm example sake I'm giving the Rolex company. If you are having any branded watches, like for expenses, for very much expensive gold watches you are purchasing for showcase purposes, I'm just example here giving the watches and the cars here. So whatsoever the expenses you are incurring on a monthly basis, you need to understand. I'm talking about you. Think about this. Whether you are going to any shopping mall, you are purchasing anything which is not affordable by you. Your friend has purchased, you purchased. Or your relative has purchased, you purchased. Or your colleague, office colleague has purchased, you plan to purchase. Is any such thing is there? Have you understand any particular situation happened in your life when you went any shopping and happened this type of attributes in your life? So that you as an individual person need to understand this mind share. If you change this mind share and looking rich perception to be changed, then only your financial position will be good to the next generation level. So you are purchasing all those things basing on the credit cards debts and a monthly EMIs, because every bank is giving an EMIs as of now. If you want to purchase anything, click of the button, you will be having whatever you want. Is it right? But at the time of paying the money monthly basis, that pain will come to you in your heart and your brain. So your home on mortgage with the bank, it is not your home. So these are all the examples I am giving. You want to be looking rich or you want to being rich? What is the automatic subconscious mind you are having? What is that exact aesthetics of the major aspects you need to adopt to get something great in you? What is that? If you have such real credibility, you need to understand the major aspects of your life. What is the major importance to be given for your financial position, for your enhancement of your wallet, for your enhancement of your portfolio income, for your developing of your knowledge in terms of finance? What is that? Looking rich is not good, and if you want to be being rich always, that need lot of discipline. You have to be very clear what you want to get in your life. I want to be great in your life. You want to be great. Always Warren Buffett will say, if you can't control your emotions, you can't control your money. So always you need to control your emotions in such a way where that particular expenses you are incurring is really worth to me or not, whether it is useful to me or not. Rethink twice and then go ahead for your purchase. For show purpose, for looking rich purpose, don't take anything, don't buy and don't spend anything. So being rich is very much importance. That importance about the aesthetics, here I am giving the 5 aesthetics where you need to concentrate and where you need to have automatic subconscious mind to be evolved to get something great in you, to get something enhancement of your portfolio to be in such a way where your money management to be added as per your desired condition level of your money, basing on your monthly income, basing on your annual income. Whether you are earning 10,000 rupees per month also, this will applicable. If you are earning 1 crore rupee every month also, this will applicable. So if you can't control our emotions, we can't control our main aspects of our life in terms of money. So being rich is the most important in our life. We need to have clear discipline in our life to get something great financial position in our life. So you are taking the challenge to get something great in you, to be very financial position, to be great what is present now. How much financial position to be evolve on everyday basis, monthly basis, how much you want to evolve. Whether you want to involve 10% every month, whether you want to enhance 20% every month, it is in your hand. If you can't change your mind share to get something adaptable nature, you don't get anything. So please have a clear visibility how much I am spending and what are all the major aesthetics I need to adopt. Here today I am sharing to you for these 5 attributes so that these aesthetics will be very useful to get something great in you. So please have a pen and paper or journal or diary, write down these things and rethink about, sit aside 5 minutes and think about these things. Can I do these things in a reality? Can I do this thing in a real time basis? Can I do for my own financial position and enhancement, for my own portfolio enhancement? Think about this and write down all these things so that it will be beneficial for you to get something great in you. So what is the major aesthetics? The first aesthetic is pay yourself first. So called every financial gurus will tell pay yourself first. What is pay yourself first? Suppose I'm getting 10,000 rupees every month or 50,000 rupees every month or 1 crore rupee every month or 10 lakhs, whatsoever the amount you're earning every month. I can't, my expenses are very high compared to my income. How can I pay myself first? Everybody having this question, right? So if this question is there, I'm giving one example to you to be rethink. Every day you are going to office, every day you are going to your so-called living habits, whether you are jogging, whether you are doing eating lunch, breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper, whatsoever the thing, or communicating with your friends, or discussion with your friends, going for a restaurants. Example I'm talking about. How much money you are spending on that particular aspects? Every day or every week or every month, how much you are spending? Rethink, write down at least in separate journal so that you can know how much you are wasting your money. So pay yourself first. At least for my perspective, it is a 10% of your monthly income. That is a major importance in your life to evaluate your financial position. But if you can't able to segregate 10% as of now, doesn't matter. At least try with 1% in every month. If you start with 1%, it will see the real change in yourself. If you want to change yourself, it will be beneficial for your intention of mind share in terms of money. So if you want to be greater in financial aspects, you need to adopt from today, pay yourself first. Whether it is 100 rupees, whether it is 1 lakh rupee, whether it is 1 crore rupee, whatsoever amount you want to save yourself, save and keep aside. Don't touch until it is uncertainty will happen. Unless an uncertainty, don't touch that. If you want to go clear in-depth knowledge about this pay yourself first, please go and visit my YouTube channel, madhukodidala.com. I'm not here telling to you subscribe my channel, but the value I'm giving to you so that it will be beneficial for you to get great in your mindset, and mind share should be changed. I always quote one thing. My mentor has always say that formal education will make you living, but self education, self knowledge will make you fortune. So these things, the being rich model, what I'm sharing today, it will be real beneficial for you to get something great in you. So what is that second aspect? Starting small, already shared, is better than starting small is better than starting later. So I don't have 10,000 rupees to save, I don't have 1,000 rupees to save, I don't have at least 2,000 rupees to save for this month. Don't think about these parameters. Think about the reasons how you can save. Don't think about the reasons why you can't. Start with 100 rupees today, or if you have a most capable financial person, you have, start with 10,000 rupees today, so that you see the real change in your portfolio of income, so that it will get automatic attributes happening in your brain to get the millionaire aspects. The major thing is pay off all your debts. The third most aesthetic is pay off all your debts. Always every individual having at least one or two loans, whether it is a personal loan, whether it is a credit card loans, whether it is a home loan or a consumer loan or a mortgage loan or educational loan, or any different type of loan you have, start paying off on regular basis so that your CIBIL score will not reduce. So that I'm not talking about CIBIL score, I'm talking about your mind share, about your reduction of your loans. What type of loans you have, write down. How many loans you have, write down, with interest rate, with total outstanding amount, with EMI. Separate column you need to maintain: loan amount, interest rate, EMI, current outstanding. So what is that? Write down and start paying off on a monthly basis, double or triple. If you want to get into this exact debt reduction formula, please visit my website www.madhukodudala, and I'm giving one small great and a small information which is to be used. Proven secrets has been given. Please watch this video till the end so that you will be mind blown away about the reduction of your paying off debts in a right manner. So this paying off debts should be in a very well aligned manner, then only you see the differentiation. I'm able to pay off my every debts on a monthly basis, but I can't reduce in a so-called time span. Whether you want to close this loan after 3 months or for 6 months or 12 months or 2 years or 3 years, how many months you want to close, but because you've taken the loan of home loan, at least 20 years it will take. No, this is not your asset if you are residing in this house. So the value may get appreciate, but you are paying every month EMIs to that home. But the personal loan, the credit card loans, the mortgage loans, the loan against educational loans, whether you have taken that loans, these are the burdens on your head. Think about these things and start paying off all your debts in a timely manner, and try to pay off extra money, whatsoever amount you have, 10,000, 20,000, you just start paying. Don't go for lavishness. Try to pay these loans, and you see the real peace in your mind after paying off these loans. Next, fourth golden nugget is buy only with cash. Avoiding credit cards usage. Don't take any debts with credit cards. So nowadays every bank is giving credit cards as like that. No, nowadays bank is giving credit cards. Every bank, whether you are whether you are earned person, whether you are a self-employed or a salaried person, if you are earning even 20,000, 15,000 rupees, one small employee also, the banks are ready to give the credit cards to you, because it is a trap. You are going to the trap and you are starting under that particular trap. When you go to any shopping mall, you go to any departmental store, you went for purchase of any grocery of 1,500 rupees, 300 rupees, you purchased with the card of 1,000 rupees or 1,500, 2,000. You think about these things. Just I'm sharing the information. I'll pause 2 seconds. You think whether you are went along with your family with your cash of 2,000 rupees. If you are purchased that particular groceries or XYZ things in your shopping mall, how much you spent? Think. So this is for family purpose. Somebody will say this is my family purpose. This is for their enjoyment, my family enjoyment, my enjoyment. If you don't have clear visibility about your financial goal, what you do with the enjoyment of today's? Think. Your subconscious mind will give the answer to you at any cost. Only thing is, we need to give the right question to your mind. So avoid the credit cards usage drastically so that you see the real change. And what is the being rich exact formula? Invest your money wisely under the expert's advice. If you have a knowledge, research yourself and invest accordingly. And whatsoever the investment avenues you really wish to invest, you start with by investing the particular modes of portfolios. Mutual funds, that is examples, mutual funds, bonds, gold, commodities, stock, crypto, real estate, whatsoever the thing. You have to understand the exact being rich formula, what the money, what the income of 100 rupees, what the income of 10,000 rupees, what the income of your 1 lakh rupee will multiply 2x, 3x or 5x, how it will multiply. These avenues you need to research everything. That avenues, what is the most important things you need to be monitored by your financial expert, or you need to be monitored by yourself by taking the knowledge what I am sharing today. Like us, I'm the passive wealth expert. If you want to be associate with me, visit my website www.madhukodidala and ping me my social media channel so that you will want to get separate coaching with me, one-to-one coaching with me, free of cost is there. Go and use the link is given below. Visit my website. So contact me. I'll be straight contact with you. So that for your financial position, I'm personally helping you to get something. Don't forget to segregate the funds what you have. Whether you have 10,000 rupees you are saving, don't put total amount in your one basket. Segregate the amount and start seeing the changes of your life. That shows your real change in your life. If you automate the above 5 aesthetics in your brain, your life will be transformed without much pain. So automatic millionaire habit, what the habits you need to adopt, what are all the changes you need to involve in your life, that matters. So whatsoever the points here I shared in this video, please watch this video carefully and listen this video so that it will be most useful in your life to get life transformation about your financial stability. So paying first is the most important thing. Segregation of the money and the looking rich and being rich is also most important thing. And what is the subconscious mind of your brain in terms of financials and the wealth, what is that most attributes and aesthetics you need to be follow. These are all the things is the most important in your life to be changed to get something great in you. If you want to be greater in terms of financials, you need to know all these things. So again I'm reiterating you, formal education is it will be useful for your living only, but self education, self knowledge will make you fortune. So everything can be possible in our mind. So you need to think what you want to be get at. You need to be always adopt those scenarios, adopt those knowledge, adopt those habits of automatic millionaire, so that you as an individual person evolves such a great personality in terms of money, how, why and what. So whatsoever the information you want to be gathered, whatsoever the aesthetics you have taken, start implementing from today. Only thing is, everybody will listen this golden nuggets, they will forget, they will skip, they will go into the YouTube and skip the things. But those who have taken seriously, those who have really taken this word seriously and started implementing, they see the change in their life. That shows the real credibility in our life. You want to authenticate your life to be great, you want to see your financial position to be great, I want to see the great, you want to see the freedom in your life, peace in your life, in terms of money, in terms of financials, in terms of wealth. You have to adopt all those things. If you have adopt all those things, automatic millionaire habits, you will see the real change in your life. I hope this video has given the deeper insights about the automatic millionaire habits. What are all the aesthetics you need to adopt? What are all the steps and attributes you need to adopt to get something great in you? So for your portfolio enhancement. So be intact your life to be great in you. So visit my website www.madhukodidala.com so that you can know the real meaning about your financial status, what you want to get it. So thank you very much. This is Madhu Kodidala, passive wealth expert and lifestyle coach. You want to be associated with me, please visit my website www.madhukodidala.com and subscribe my YouTube channel Madhu Kodidala. And if you want to see the real change in your life, I created one Facebook private group, Root Analysis for Wealth and Personality. They're light-minded people, introverts are there. They see their minds in such a way. I'm sharing the golden nuggets every day so that the great knowledge to be evolved in your brains for in terms of money, in terms of wealth, in terms of financial aspects. So the link is in the description below. Please go and join. And also I shared my entire link of my social media platforms. Go and subscribe and share this video for the betterment of their lives. So it will be helpful to them and it will be good to them to get something great, to be gathered any information about the financials, about the automatic millionaire habits. Thank you very much. Madhu Kodidala, passive wealth expert, signing off.